Arizona's Dukes of Air started just over 6 years ago, and the reason we decided to start the company was that we wanted to be different than the rest of the HVAC companies in the valley. We wanted to be able to give a full experience to our homeowners. We don't want to gain customers for one visit, we want to gain them for a lifetime.
By providing excellent service experiences, separating us from the rest of the pack by being professional, on time, courteous, and doing things that other contractors would not do. For example, even bringing in a garbage can, bringing in the newspaper as we walk up to a customer's house, showing that we're human beings and people just like them and respectful to their belongings and their home.
They are easy to work with, easy to schedule, and great communication, good service. They're honest and trustworthy. You know that they're providing the service you actually need and nothing more, nothing less. Prices are fair, and everyone that we've interacted with has been friendly, nice, communicates well, gives us all the information, answers our questions. Everything you really could ask for and need in an AC service.
I do like that they come in, they do their installation, they make it as seamless as possible when they're carrying in huge ductwork and blowers, and they really try to make it as easy as possible for those that are living. And I work from home, so it's nice to have them come in and not be too disruptive and get their job done, and when they're done, the house is cool and it's still clean.
John and Tanya are very professional, but the staff that they employ is also very competent and professional, and they're trained very, very well from John and Tanya. So I would have no hesitation about referring them out to any of my clients or friends or family.
Arizona's Dukes of Air believes when we're giving back, to build those relationships with our community. And it's about helping the schools, the sports programs, the subdivisions, nonprofit organizations. We are submerged in our community. If we are giving back to our community, it allows for people to be able to build trust and build a relationship with us. We have what's called Duke standards, and our guys live up to them day in and day out. They believe in giving the customers the best experience possible. They show them all of their options when they're out at the job. Our guys are not just at your house just to complete that job. They want you to be a customer for life. They have got the knowledge, the training, the background, and they breathe Dukes.